Good day mga idol, andito nga pala ako ngayon sa Wonderland. Igig kasi tumawag sa akin tong pinsan kong si Sir James Lim para palinisan daw yung salamin ng kanyang van kasi napakakapal daw ng acid rain nito, kaya chinek ko nga itong van niya, nakita ko nga na makapal yung acid rain, kaya lilinisan natin to today gamit ang ating Bonnywing glass cleaner. So inutusan ko na nga siya na kumuha ng tubig, konting tubig lang para magamit sa salamin, at napakamot nga tong pinsan kong poging-pogi na to. Let's go, kuha ka na san! Bago nga pala maglagay ng glass cleaner, make sure na malinis ang salamin. So gumamit ako ng tubig na may alcohol para malinis talaga yung salamin. At after ko nga linisan, nag-spray ako ng tubig sa salamin kasi kailangan basa yung salamin pag maglalagay ka ng glass cleaner. Eto nga pala yung Bonnywing glass cleaner, yan yung ginagamit ko na pantanggal ng mga acid rain sa salamin. Para yung salamin mo makintab na tapos sobrang linis pa. Let's go! At after ko nga mag-apply, pinatuyo ko muna siya ng 2 to 3 minutes, saka ko siya hinugasan ng tubig. At saka ko siya pinunasan ng microfabric na pamunas at hayaan na itong matuyo. Ganun lang yung pag-apply at paglilinis ko ng salamin gamit ang Bonnywing glass cleaner. Let's go!
People seen it but they just don't know.
What I told you, Cutter.
People seen it but they just don't know. People seen it but they just don't know.
Let's go.
People seen it but they just don't know. People seen it but they just don't know. Come on, baby, let the good time roll.
I'm fresh off the block. The hustler just returned. I devo these niggas, now they call me Big Worm. I'm the shit, according to the streets. The town without gift will make Memphis bleak. But I don't toss up rock, signs, and diamonds. But I might toss an every head hole like I'm saying.
Come on, baby, let the good time roll.
Let's do it. I'm ready. Right back at 'em. I'm Memphis best. I know you feel hesitant, but I'm so positive they couldn't see me in the negative. Negative, not today, no sir. They say life is a bitch. Yeah, I know her. When you see her, tell that bitch to holler. Cause I'm too fucking white t-shirt to live blue collar.
Baby, let the good time
I'm about dollars. Let's go.
People seen it but they just don't know. People seen it but they just don't know. People seen it but they just don't know. People,
Let's go.
people seen it but they just don't know. People seen it but they just don't know. Come on, baby, let the good time roll.
Let's go again. I love you haters, they make my focus strong. They keep me motivated to get my hustle on, get my guap up. No Scott Storchin, for 30s on the truck. Now that's a wheel of fortune. I got a lot of women, but no baby mamas. They all material girls, I call them prima donnas.
Baby, let the good
Dog, I
time
promise.
roll.
Real talk. Let's get back into it. Hey, I'm out of East Haven, one of you in Roseville. And we don't fuck with rats, we treat them like roadkill. Fuck them, sucker.